wings touch the sky, lies a place called Hippy-Cow-Yay, where the hawks and eagles fly.
I was hoping these would be empty. I was going to take them up there.
Oh, yeah. That would have been good. What are you doing? Ed Earl, what are you doing? So, this is how we move water from the pond from that pump. And these water hoses, these are like fire hoses. And it takes 3 of them for us to get to that IBC tote up here to do garden and animals. We're in the process of trying to find a way to hook up a pump so we can just use a water hose up there, because now we're in the dry season. The rain's over, and now it's going to get really hot and dry really fast. We're already, as you can see, we're already seeing that happen. This is where the horse and cow were. Now it's just rock, because they ate everything multiple times over. What are you doing? But now they have all of that out there. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it out here. We still can't get caught up on the mowing. The mowing is ridiculous. Are you gonna have way too much hose now?
No, that's why I got the other one to make it shorter.
Oh. Now we have it fenced off. It's a little harder to do this because we have to walk clear around. And yeah, it's surprising how you do things because they're convenient at the time, and then they're not so convenient. I don't know if you can see her. I don't think I can zoom in that far. There's a deer standing at the fence watching us. I think they're in the pasture. Ed Earl, come over here. I don't know if you can see them moving or not. These ones stay right here, usually all the time. She's stomping. Ed Earl, come on. Come on, Bubba. She's stomping and coming forward. You guys stay here. She's probably got a baby over there. Pretty cool. So back to what we're doing. Anyway, commercial break there. Dodge is hooking up the water hoses. Then he'll put that in the tote up top. You're only going to do the one this time, right?
Yeah.
They're so interested in what we're doing.
Who?
The deer, they're right here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, what'd you think I meant when I said she's stomping and moving forward? They're snorting. Come here. Come here.
Ed Earl? No.
Come here.
Ed Earl?
You
no.
mind. You little rat. Come here. One jumped the fence. The other one, she's sticking close, so I bet she's got a baby over there. Babies are born end of May, 1st of June, so. Well, she was coming forward and stomping, and then the other one started snorting and took off and jumped the fence. So she's on your side. And they don't do anything, but they live right here. Every day when I get home from work, they're in the driveway. Which is good that they aren't bothered by us, but I don't want Ed Earl to get, because he's a snot bag. I don't want him to get, like, gotten. Are you ready for me to start it? I don't know, maybe. I might be able to start it. What? The deer? The deer? The deer?
Yeah.
The one is, she's right there. Like right here by that tree. Can you see her?
Oh, yeah.
But the other one jumped the fence and went on the other side.
Jumped our fence?
Jumped the one you built, yeah. She jumped clear over it.
Just as curious as they
But
can
when
be.
he heard him snort, he took off running. Because that's what they do in the mornings when he... Okay, now remind me why you did that.
I just filled it up, primed it so you could start it easy.
Oh, okay.
Just turn it on and pull the deal.
Okay. So, bear with me, people. Move. I think he's flushing it out right now. We gotta get so much stuff done. Are you still flushing? It's hot? From the pond? That's weird. The fish. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this. Take you down here and look. Without me falling over a rock or something, because I'm an accident waiting to happen. That's a true story, by the way. every time this pump comes on, and I can't tell if you can tell, but it ripples the pond. You know? And that's all fish. I've never fished this pond. But they do that every time. It's so funny. You never even see that there's fish in here until that happens. It's funny. Okay. Do a commercial break. Anyway. Fire hose, water pump hoses. It's about a third of the way. Got bit by something. It's about a third of the way full now. You can kind of see it there. Let's see if I can't get in any closer. We're about 50 yards from each other. Summertime, we don't have to do this. In the summertime, we have to do this more often. In the wintertime, we don't have to do it. Probably because then it's just the animals drinking it. So then it's probably once a month, maybe. But if we can get it so where we can pump it into the totes up top, until we get the water catchment done, which that's on our list, but it's a long list. Everything goes on a list, you know. Ed Earl, what are you doing? I don't know what he's doing. He does whatever he wants. Horse and cow are happy. They've got all that behind the pond. We've got about 2.5 acres. Don't go to sleep. He can't hear me. I don't even know why I said that. We get so many animal visitors at the pond, even with the fence up. We get deer every day. Coyotes. Haven't seen any coyotes inside the fence since we put it up. We have a whole load of turtles. But we never see them out. Well, we saw the one snapper outside the pond, but that's it. And getting close. Otter, raccoon, possum, snake, obviously. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna let you go right here because I'm gonna have to cut this off, and you're not gonna be able to hear me. Okay, so we are going to water the garden now and then fill it back up. Our garden's doing so good this year. Really hate for it to lose any momentum. And we're still using buckets for now. That's a persimmon tree, by the way, so that I'll get you back out where you can see the Barney's working on. Everything's still a work in progress. I gotta get all this garbage picked up sooner or later. Come on.
I guess that wouldn't matter.
What?
so muddy, but it'll settle.
To water the garden? I don't think the garden
Wouldn't have
cares.
mattered if it'd been nasty for the garden.
I was gonna say, I don't think the garden cares. I'm a little nervous to walk through here.
Huh?
I'm a little nervous to walk through here.
Yeah, I know.
Bear with me, people. Okay. So we have to fill the buckets up. Take them in the
I'm just
garden.
going to carry it up to the front and let it run down the road.
Oh, okay. Check out that pepper. It's called a candy cane chocolate cherry. It's a pretty one. Look at that. Those peppers right there, they're getting huge. I got squash bugs. I need to get rid of the squash bugs. If you have any ideas, let me know. All right, I'm gonna have to do this, and I can't hold the phone and do it. So I'll catch you in just a minute. Garden watered. That was a job. Probably 40 buckets. There's got to be a better way. He's going down there now to unhook everything. So let's get down there and help him do that. Ed Earl has to chase him. I've got to get out here. All of our weed eaters broke. I had a friend give us one, and then the hose broke, and so he's had to get the gas hose fixed. I think it's working now though. All right, so now we have to take all these lovely things apart. Are we taking did you say we're taking the hoses apart?
No.
Okay. So we're not taking the hoses apart tonight. Are you just gonna come back down here tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm probably going to fill that back up. I'm going to work on this water tomorrow after I go get water.
Oh yeah, because you gotta go get us water tomorrow, huh? So right now we're using, we haul water in totes for us to use. We have to do that about what, every 2 months? 3 months?
Maybe.
Where? Oh, yeah. Can you see him? I don't know what kind it is. You don't have your gun, do you?
It ain't poison.
Your pew-pew, shall I say?
I don't know.
Moo-tow! So this is how we drain it. You taking this hose back up?
Yeah.
Where's Pony Pie? You need to get over here, Ed Earl.
He's around somewhere.
The grass guppy's been in the pond all day.
Huh?
The grass guppy's been in the pond all day.
Yeah.
Fergus is a grass guppy. He lives right there in the pond. What do you want?
She's the kidder that comes down here.
Your cat's down here. Ed Earl. Felix is here. Go get your cat. Don't you be mean to him. And of course that's in the mud. Do you want me to carry it? You don't think they'll ruin that hose?
It'll be all right for tomorrow. Eventually, I want to bury a pipe in the ground.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
And I just have to hook a hose to each end.
Horsehead faucet or something?
No, it has to be a hose to run this, to fill these.
Oh. I didn't know if you were just going to build like a pump house. Wait.
No, because that water's dirty. And that pump up there isn't designed for dirty water. I'm going to have to do something to it.
I think it's on. Have to have the hot wire on because the horse sticks his head over the fence.
We're living our dream under the Oklahoma moon. Oh, Hippy-Cow-Yay in the Oklahoma hills, where the music of nature gives us the chills. Living off the grid with the mountain's majesty. In our Hippy-Cow-Yay we found all our liberty. Grid of the Oklahoma mountains at the Hippy-Cow-Yay Homestead. At the Hippy-Cow-Yay Homestead.